Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Yes, my channel is about you saving money, making money, and getting things for free. Now, what about if I could show you something that could just not just save you money at the grocery store, but in a creative way of saving money at the grocery store? What? Coming up, I'm going to show you how you could do that. Free merchandise lady. Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Look, I want to show you a great site. Yes, I already started it. Look at this. You could create recipes for your meals in your pantry. It's called Super Cook. Look at this. I already started it. Look, have 23 recipes. I already started it. And look at that. You have made 3,523 recipes. What? And look at this. Pantry. Look, I got my butter, eggs, milk, onion, flour, olive oil, garlic powder, and rice. On this one, on the vegetables and greens, onion, bell peppers, tomatoes, celery. That's what I have on hand. So I'm telling them what I have on hand in my pantry, and they are creating recipes. What I'm saying is, groceries are so expensive. So why don't you just work with what you have? And or what you normally buy on a regular basis. Work with that. And that way, that saves a ton by itself. That's have nothing to do with cutting coupons or or if it's on sale or not on sale. Just by doing that on what you have or what you buy on a regular and creating recipes from that. You'd be amazed. Just imagine what I'm doing now have created 3,523 recipes. Look, and I don't have any mushrooms. Fruit, I have lemon, oranges, and pineapple. And on blueberries, strawberries, and blueberries, I got those. Nuts, I have flaxseed and cheeses, cheddar cheese, and sharp cheddar. And on a dairy, I got butter, eggs, and milk. I don't see anything else I have that's different. I'm not gonna put yogurt because I ate I ate my yogurt the other day, so that's off. Um, what else? Anything here? No. On meats, I got ground beef. On poultry, I got chicken thighs, chicken wings. Fish, I got tuna, and I got some salmon too. Got that. I just thought about it. Anything else here? No. And herbs, I got garlic powder. I got some parsley. I got oregano. Look how it just changed. It's giving me more and more recipes I'm getting. Now on the sugar, I got regular sugar. I got some honey. Look at that. It just keep on adding up. Now said you can make over 6,924 recipes. That means your family will never get bored. Well, hopefully they're like most of it. What you let's see on here. Uh, I don't see. Oh, okay. Italian seasoning. I got that. And I got flour. Baking soda. I got that. Let's see. Nothing's here on the pre-made dough. Grain. I got rice. Anything else? Breakfast cereal, yeah, I got that. Let's see, pasta. I got spaghetti, macaroni, and on bread, I got bread and oils and fats. I got olive oil. I think I got a little bit, yeah, of vegetable oil, and I got some cooking spray. Dressing, I got ranch. I love ranch. I got mayonnaise, cause yeah, I got that, and mustard. Yes, I got ketchup, barbecue sauce. We got hot sauce. I can't really get into hot sauce. My whole family love hot sauce. I just can't get into it. But maybe that's a good thing, because that way, guess what? My stomach don't have any holes in it. No holes in my stomach. Let's see. And canned tomato, canned black beans. That's about it on the can. And on the dip, let's see, sauces and spreads, peanut butter, tomato sauce, tomato paste, and that's about it. And on soup, we got chicken broth, beef broth, cream of chicken, onion soup mix. Got that. Oh, look how many recipes now. 9,123. Again, the name of this site is Super Cook, where you take the things you have and they create recipes for you. This saves a ton, because thinking about it, you're going to say, most of the time, you say, what I'm going to fix for dinner today? What I'm going to really fix today? Sometimes you just don't know, but you will know from this. And look, I just got through with the soups. I haven't even got to the dessert yet. And let's see, dessert. We try not to keep too many sweets. Uh-oh. Why not? Let's see. I got strawberry jam. I got that. I guess that's all I have. Now, wine, what do I have? I got some white wine. I got some red too. I got a little bit of red. Beverage, I got some orange juice. And let's see. So you see that list. You see that. So I have 55 ingredients. You see that? 55 ingredients. And it created 9,407 recipes. And check them out. Check them out. Look at that. Homemade hamburger helper, cheeseburger, macaroni. Wow. And then what's it about? Skillet, meatloaf with pan gravy. I mean, you can't even beat that. How about look at here, that's kind of different. Tuna muffins. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this something else. Crock pot stuffed bell peppers. Wow. I wouldn't even thought that. And what else? Let's see. Spaghetti with beef meatballs. Yeah, we love those. How about this? English pancakes. Wow. How about this one? Beef and rice stuffed bell peppers. And what about beef and rice casserole? With it, uh, look at all these. I mean, the list go on and on because you could hit click here and they'll load up some more. And they just keep on going. Remember, it's over 9,000. Make some blueberry muffins. Look at this. Now, this is based on what you have now. Look at all these based on what you have. The name of this site is supercook.com. The link is below. And while you checking out supercook.com, check out Free Merchandise Lady other videos. The link will be below as well. Check it out. And look at this. This go on and on and on. This is based on what you have. So you might have more than what I have, but look at this. That way you don't even have to think about too much. You put just sometimes you might forget something, then look over the list again and see. Oh my God, free merchandise lady. Look at that. Load again. So you load it again. Look at this. Well, considering what I just the recipes I put in is a lot of desserts. And well, well, you don't need a whole lot of desserts. But oh, that be this here pineapple souffle. That sounds really good. Oh, how about this? Cakey lemon blueberry brownies. Oh my goodness. How about this? Easy restaurant style uh, buffalo chicken wings. 6 ingredients. What? I mean, this is wonderful. Like I said, check out, like I said, the website is supercook.com. And to see my other videos, the free merchandise link, the link will be below for you to check out my other videos. I know you're going to have fun with this one because this go on and on and on. And like I said, this only based on 55 ingredients that I use. So you might have more than that. But this is what I came up with. And you can't think of all of them, do it later and jot down, put some more in here. But I'm just showing you the 55 I came up with, and look at the list. I'm gonna show you one more, and then oh, cheese stuffed burgers. Wow, onion rings, cream of celery soup. Well, what I'm gonna do is I hope that you go ahead and look at this website and check out the free merchandise lady other videos. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Free merchandise lady.